Hi kiddos, this is Miss Leticia and today we're going to do a hand painting art, and I'm going to show you when you finish the art, this is how it's going to look. It's gonna look really pretty. Okay, let's just start. You're gonna need a regular paper. I'm gonna use red and yellow. You can use crayons or another kind of thing that you want. You're gonna need a pencil and a black marker or a Sharpie. Okay, let's start. I'm gonna use my left hand just to trace my hand. You don't need to open your fingers. Just trace your hand. It's gonna look like that. See, it's not all, my fingers doesn't touch my fingers between. And then I'm gonna use my red or pink. Or if you want to do a different color, that's perfect. Okay, now that I'm done, now when the Sharpie black, just going to put in that in different locations. Then I finish with my Sharpie. I'm gonna use green color. And done. And this is your hand printing strawberry. Thank you. Bye, and I hope you like it.